Welcome back to another video. Today, we are going to see some of the most incredible custom truck transformations. This truck is a tribute to Prince's well-known catchy tune, Purple Rain. The incredible paint job was done by MW Design from the Netherlands, who are specialists in unique painting jobs on motorcycles, cars, and trucks. Also, the interior has received a total overhaul. Instrumentation, the steering wheel, and the entire interior cabin has been upholstered in purple and white leather details. The Scania R650 was delivered by Scania in Schweiz and took around 22 weeks from start to finish to build. The final result speaks for itself. This beautiful Scania 500S is a joint project by Haida Logistic and Jumbo Truck Styling. The truck project was named Arminius, named after the German officer who arranged an attack on the Romans 2,000 years ago. The entire truck and trainers are lacquered with unique details of warriors fighting a bloody battle. In addition, the chrome buoys are fitted and a lot of LED lighting from Jumbo Truck Styling, which supplied everything within accessories for trucking styling. Peterbilt has supplied the North American commercial vehicle market with the industry's most rugged, reliable, and efficient products. The Peterbilt is selected with a Cummins X15 engine with 565 horsepower, fitted with an NRC 50 CS wrecker, which has a lifting capacity of 50 tons. The 50 CS has a long and strong boom to give you more lifting power and an increasing reach. Also, the truck is chosen with tandem traction, so the vehicle pulls on both rear axles, which secures grip in even the softest terrain. It is one of the strongest and most versatile wreckers on the market. This Scania V8 R770 was built for the Danish trucker Max Hunt, who made it in cooperation with Scania Denmark. The plan was to build a black edition Scania, but keeping it in a clean look. The truck is still being modified as the owner continues to find new things to change on it. Remember, if you like the video, please leave a comment and give us a like below. The Scania R770 is chosen with a trailing axle and is a versatile truck that allows you to drive with many different types of goods around in Denmark, Norway, and Sweden. this new generation MAN TGX. The logistics company Spedition Thies GmbH's main activity is long-distance transport. Why the MAN is selected with 2 axles and a 510 horsepower engine, as this is the most fuel-efficient solution for this type of driving. All the stainless steel details are from jumbo truck styling, which, in combination with the beautiful red color, really makes the truck appear unique. The new MAN is ready to hit the road and will probably turn most heads when it passes. Andreas Transport Service from Sweden ordered this unique Volvo with an extended cab. The cab has an extra 60 centimeters of cab space, which has made room for the extra seating space. The Volvo and its owner have participated in various truck shows around Europe, as it is one-of-a-kind looking truck. We hope you enjoyed the video and would appreciate it if you leave a comment below with your favorite of the 6 trucks.